Answer number 1.
A lease is a legal agreement in which one party or lessor grants permission to the tenant to use a property.
Answer number 2.
A lease occurs when a property owned by one party is rented out for another continued period of time or months. The lease makes recurring payments.
Answer number 3.
The lessor can terminate the lease if the tenant does not comply with the terms of the lease agreement. This can also result in legal action. Mr. Santos leased a commercial property to Ms. Ramirez for a term of 2 years. This is starting January 1, 2023, with a monthly rental of $25,000. The property of contract to Ms. Ramirez was to be used for boutique clothing businesses. Because of the property without permission, who directly violated a specific clause in the rental agreement? Ms. Ramirez argued the sublease because it does not violate the main purpose of the lease and even increase the visibility of the property. It benefits the overall lease. The court ruled in favor of Mr. Santos, allowing him to terminate the lease. Based on Article 1659 and Article 1662 of the Civil Code of the Philippines, Ms. Ramirez was ordered to pay 2 months' rent as damage, allowing her to terminate the lease. Yes, I agree court decision because Ms. Ramirez violated the property rental agreement without Mr. Santos' consent as the contract prohibited it. For my own opinion, subletting the property without permission is a major violation because it is written into the terms of the agreements. Should have sought written permission from Mr. Santos before renting the property. Ms. Ramirez could have avoided this breach of contract by not renting to the property or by obtaining Mr. Santos' permission before renting. This case teaches the importance of honoring written agreements because if you don't follow through on the agreement, it will lead to legal consequences. According to Article 1659, it states that lease cannot introduce changes to the lease without the consent of the owner. Because without consent of Mr. Santos, it is against the article. As Ms. Ramirez, legal counsel, I can argue that the sublease did or not violate the primary purpose of the lease, increase the visibility of the property, or negatively affect the interests of the lessor. This case demonstrates the principles for vicarious obligations under Article 1191, where Mr. Santos fulfilled his lease by renting the property while Ms. Ramirez violated her lease terms, allowing her to the contract. Yes, it may be different because if there is no clear prohibition, subleasing may not be considered a violation.